Hey guys, Ivan here with IHC Suspension. Today we're going to be showing you a 2018 Ford F-150. This is a two-wheel drive and we're going to be equipping it with our IHC 4.6 lowering kit. As you guys can see, this truck is completely stock. The only thing that has been done is customers swapped out the wheels with some Raystars. These are 17-inch wheels up in the front, guys. He's running 235 65 17s, and on the rear, he's running a 265 60 17. Now, as you guys can see, the truck does sit pretty high. So with our 4.6, we're gonna bring it down, give it a nice stance. Now let's get it into the shop and start tearing it apart. All right, guys, so we got the F-150 pretty much ready to go. Come this way, I wanna show you the parts already installed. Remember, guys, our lowering kits work with custom control arms. So up in the front, what we did, we replaced the lower control arm. This is how you achieve the 4-inch drop. The strut pocket is a little bit lower. And of course, we provide our upper control arm for your alignment purposes to make sure everything stays in specs. You keep your factory spindle, you keep your factory strut assembly, which is your core spring and your shock, and you keep your factory sway bar link. We also provide, guys, new hardware for your strut. The factory strut studs stick out quite a bit, so we provide the new hardware to keep everything nice and flush. If you come this way, we also need to trim a little bit off our spindle, which is a front stopper to make sure we keep our factory turning radius. This is it right here so you guys can see it. All right, one thing I do want to mention, this is for the individual who would be installing this kit or whoever's doing the alignment. Whenever you go to install these lower control arms and when you guys are getting ready to tighten it, do not over tighten it so much where you're going to close this and you're going to end up tearing your bushings. If you tear your bushings, you will run into issues where you're going to hear noises. The nut here, guys, does have a little nylon inside, so it's not going to back off on you. Remember, you want it nice and snug, but do not over tighten it where you tear your bushings. So that's a little FYI to prevent any headaches. Now let's go to the rear. The rear, guys, is pretty straightforward as well. We do a flip kit, which means your axle now sits on top of your differential. The way we achieve that is with the components here. We have our top plate, which is what locks your U-bolt. We have our saddle, which is the one that corrects your pinion angle. And of course, we have our bottom plates. On these bottom plates, guys, we do have a left and a right, which is a driver and a passenger. As you guys can see here, we need to make some clearance to be able to mount our shock. So our shocks that we use, guys, are nitrogen charged shocks. They work very well. They are made by Procomp. The bump stops, guys, need to be completely removed. They have a bolt in the middle, so it's pretty straightforward. Just remove it. And that's pretty much it for the rear, guys. So now let's get it on the ground. We're gonna slap on our tires, go driving, and get our alignment done. All right, guys, so we just finished up this F-150. Check it out. This is the finished product. This is our IHC 4.6 lowering kit. I just drove it, guys. Came back from the alignment shop. Truck ride's amazing. Alignment's on point. As you guys can see, the front tire, you can see it's nice and centered in the fender well. Same thing for the back. Plenty of clearance, guys, between your frame and your axle. You got a little over 4.5 inches. Let me hop in the back so you guys can check it out. No bottoming out. Nice, perfect stance. Back tire is a little bit bigger in diameter. That's why it's a little bit higher in the back. For some of you guys that may be interested in this kit, guys, to place an order, you can give us a call at 956-424-6901, or you can visit our website at ihcsuspension.com. Thank you for watching, guys. If you guys can like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.